Hello amigos, my name is Ratan and welcome to my channel TECHYRATORS. This is our next video in RHCSA preparation series, and our today's topic is how to use Crontab command, or how to do scheduling in Linux, or we can say that how to set a cron job in Linux operating system. So without any delay, let's get started with this video now. Just open your terminal. Yes, this is our terminal. So today we are learning about how to set cron job, how to schedule, how to set a schedule, or how to use Crontab command in Linux operating system. First, check the configuration file. Let's say cat/etc/crontab. This is a configuration file of Crontab. So Crontab command is used to set schedule or setting cron jobs in Linux operating system to perform automated tasks. So you see, the first star is used for the minute, and minute is starting with 0 and end with 59. 0 means 59, 0 means 60 minutes, all complete. Now second star is for the hour, 0 to 23. Third star is for the day of the month, let's say 1 to 31. Fourth star is for the month, 1 to 12, or we can use Jan, Feb, March, April. And the next star is for day of the week. 0, you can use 0 to 6. Sunday is equal to 0 or 7. And you can also use SUN, MONTUE. And the last is the username and the command to be executed. So this is the basic syntax of setting a cron job. Now let's see how you can set a cron job. See Crontab-L. So basically Crontab command is used to set schedule, do scheduling in Linux operating system. So Crontab-L is used to check the available schedule. We have no Crontab for the root, so just simply Crontab-E to edit. Now we are entering a VI editor, so just simply press I. Let's say you want to execute a command, let's say hello every minute, star. First for the minute, second for the hour, third for the day, fourth for the month, fifth star is for the week. And now a command echo, let's say hello. Yes, so a Crontab is now set. Crontab-L, you see, it generally print hello every minute in this operating system. Let's say date. Now according to the system time, it's 11:10:43. Now if you set a Crontab-E, we can use 12. Okay, then just I 12 minute 11 hours, and every day let's say mkdir, let's say cron. Okay, now if you see Crontab-L, it create the cron directory in the current location. Date command we have, so at 11:12 it creates the cron directory in the current location. So wait for it. 47, we have to wait just 13 seconds more. Now just 6 seconds more. So you see, now the time is complete and it created the cron directory in that operating system. So when you see Crontab-E, let's say, so 12 minute 11 hours and every day. It creates a cron directory in the current location. And let's say if you want to set some more things with the combining with the star, we have, let's say, every 21 date, and let's say every February. You can use 2 or simply Feb. And for the week you can simply use 0 for the Sunday, 7 for the Sunday, and SUN for the Sunday. And the username is optional. By default it creates cron job with the user you are logged in. So if you want to, let's say, do a cron job with another user, let's say user 1, set a cron job for user 1. It's generally create a directory named cron in the user 1 home directory not every Sunday, in 11, 12 on 21 February. That's on Sunday. We just assume that is on Sunday, so just leave it, enter. Now Crontab have your cron job is set it. Just this is how you can set a cron job. Let's say if you want to remove a cron job, let's say R. Now the cron job is removed. And let's say you want to don't want to configure any entry in the file for the username, just simply -u, and let's say user 1. So we don't have a user 1. First user add user 1. If you don't know how to create user, you can just simply watch my previous videos. So it's say no Crontab for user 1. Enter. Star 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 echo hello. Now the cron job is settled. Let's say if you want to execute a task every half minute or every 2 minutes. If you want to execute it every minute, then you can just simply simply use this syntax. But if you want to execute it, let's say every 5 minutes or every half minute or every 30 minutes, so you can simply use this like that. So this is all about the cron job, how you can set a cron job, how you can remove, how you can edit with the user, how you can check the date. Now you can check the logs of the same in -f/var spool and mail root. Those TECHYRATORS. He doesn't have anyone. User 1. So it doesn't have any log now because we deleted the entries. And now one more thing about the cron job. If you want to deny a cron job for a particular user, just simply add the entry cron dot deny and simply add the username here, user 1. Now the user 1 can't able to use a cron job. So this is all about the Crontab or cron job in a Linux operating system, how you can schedule something, how you can do a task at a particular time. And now just practice these commands, and if you have any doubt regarding this, give me a comment in the comment section. This is all about this video. Now we can meet you in the next video. So for now, bye bye and take care.